will guide you through how to order samples from Printful. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Printful's website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top menu and click on Dashboard. From there, look for the Orders section in the sidebar and click on Sample Orders. This is where you can order samples of the products you want to check out. You'll see a button that says Create Sample Order. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a new page where you can start adding products to your order. Now, browse through the catalog and select the products you'd like to sample. For each product, choose the size, color, and quantity you want. Then hit Add to Order. You can add multiple items if needed. Once you've added all the samples you want, click on Review Order. On this page, double-check everything to make sure it's correct. If you're happy with your selection, proceed by clicking Continue to Shipping. Here, you'll enter your shipping details. Make sure your address is correct, as this is where your samples will be sent. Then click Continue to Payment. Now, you can enter your payment information. Printful offers discounts on sample orders, so make sure to check if you qualify for any. Finally, review all the details one last time, and click Place Order to complete the process. Your samples will be on their way shortly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.